to the Daily Stock Report, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. Performance Track Daily. I'm Brooke Van Leer, and for Wednesday, December 6th, we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets, as well as the top movers to look out for today. In our headline news, Taco Bell expects to reopen restaurants on Tuesday that were closed after an E. coli strain sickened about 36 people in New Jersey and New York's Long Island, an executive for the chain's parent company said. State medical officials in New Jersey and New York were working with the Center for Disease Control and Prevention to try and pinpoint what caused the outbreak that sickened at least 22 people in New Jersey, 2 of them seriously, and more than a dozen on Long Island, New York. E. coli is a bacteria that can cause severe stomach distress and is most often spread through contaminated food. Yum! Brands shares rose 71 cents to $62.34 in morning trading on the New York Stock Exchange. General Motors Corporation will make side curtain airbags that protect people in rollover crashes standard equipment on all vehicles by the 2012 model year, the automaker announced Tuesday. The announcement was made as GM unveiled a new $10 million crash test facility in suburban Detroit that will help to study rollover crashes. GM said it planned to perform 150 rollover tests next year at the Milford Proving Grounds to help the company better understand rollover crashes, which in 2005 accounted for about 4% of all crashes, of which 33% of those occupants were killed. Shares of GM finished up 1.1% at $30.14 at the close of the market on Tuesday. In small cap news, Aquacell Technologies Incorporated, previously at 5 cents, finished up 160% at 13 cents with 1.4 million shares traded yesterday. Aquacell Technologies announced Monday that it signed a letter of intent to acquire Citation Publishing. Under the terms of the agreement, Aquacell will acquire Citation for 21 million shares of Aquacell Technology stock, which the parties have agreed to value at $1 per share. The acquisition is expected to be finalized by the end of the year, subject to a waiver of the third party's right of first refusal, which, if invoked, would provide Aquacell with a breakout fee. International Energy finished up yesterday with a 40% gain and over 16 million shares traded. International Energy announced yesterday that it signed a letter of intent to acquire 50% of interest in oil fields located in regions of Kazakhstan with proven oil reserves of 140 million barrels. The purchase price of $12 million will be applied to upgrading equipment to increase daily production at these fields. Advanced Growing Systems Incorporated, previously at 50 cents, was up 30% at 65 cents with 13,000 shares traded yesterday. Advanced Growing Systems recently announced it's generated approximately $2 million gross dollars of revenue in its first 4 months of existence. Advanced Growing Systems, through its subsidiaries, manufactures organic fertilizer and provides landscape services in the United States. It offers organic fertilizer under the Top Organic Fertilizer name brand, which is produced from raw poultry litter. And that's it today for our newsmakers. Be sure to join us every market day for the latest market commentary on small cap to large cap and everything in between. Brought to you by QualityStocks.net. Also be sure to watch for the Quality Stocks Daily Newsletter, available each trading day through QualityStocks.net. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Brooke Van Leer. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow right here on the Daily Report.
This transmission is coming to you.
You got it.